So for the extra credit for intellectual property, I'm probably saying this totally wrong, but the Mattel versus MGA, which was the Bratz dolls. So some facts, an employee disclosed an idea for a line of fashion dolls to a competitor. So they were saying that it was copyright infringement. So the employment agreement did not unambiguously require assignment. This means awarding constructive trust was abuse of discretion, and fashion dolls with a bratty look or attitude, or dolls sporting trendy clothing or unprotectable ideas. So some trusts were nature of constructive trust. So the plaintiff, the existence of the property or some interest in property, the right for wrongfully acquisition or detention, and then the labor and unemployment, um, the copyrights and intellectual property. So like I said before, the clothing or the way or the attitude that the dolls look were unprotectable. Another thing was trademarks. So the alphabetical listing, so Bratz with a Z is trademarked. So therefore, the employee that disclosed the line of fashion dolls to a competitor cannot use the word Bratz. The sculpt of the doll's body and the graphics play into account with intellectual property and copyright. The court that authored the opinion was the United States Circuit, or the United States Court of Appeals, the Ninth Circuit, and the issue, they have to decide if there was copyright infringement and wrongfully acquired the idea. So if the employee wrongfully used the idea. And the rule was the employment agreement assigned works created outside the scope of Brian's employment. Therefore, they vacate the copyright injunction, and each party shall bear its own costs. Some people in the end found that the district court, didn't properly analyze if the ideas were under the contract or not. So they thought it was premature to determine what happened in the end.